If you've received a camera ticket citation out of Victorville, California, you need to get a hold of us. There's things that can be done to help you defeat these tickets. If you've received a red light camera ticket, this can be very frustrating. The first thing you want to do, though, is you want to look at that citation or the notice that you're receiving from the camera company or the court and make sure that it's actually you. If it's you, you don't want to just go ahead and pay the citation. Which would be a good thing to do is get a hold of an attorney at that point so that we can discuss the ways that we can keep the points off your record and or maybe possibly get it dismissed. The other part of that is that often the person who is photographed on that camera ticket citation notice from the court really isn't you. And they will ask you to identify that person. However, if you get a hold of us prior to identifying that person, there's certain things that can be done that can be very helpful in getting this case totally dismissed. And you want to make sure that you get a hold of us or another traffic ticket attorney to deal with this issue prior to responding to that notice. The other part of it is actually watch the video. You can go to a location that they'll give you on that citation notice and you can watch a video. Make sure that you really haven't violated the law. But even if you have violated the law, there's things that can be done to keep the points off your record and or maybe possibly get it dismissed. You want to get a hold of an attorney that handles traffic tickets that know what they're doing.